What if you could build an entirely working NFT marketplace just by describing what you want? In this video, I'll show you how to vibe code a fully functional NFT marketplace UI using Claude code and the Moralis NFT API with normalized metadata, rarity scores, floor prices, and spam filtering. Let's get started. First, open up a terminal. Then navigate to your desktop. While you're on your desktop, create a folder called Moralis NFT Marketplace. And then go into that. And then while you're here, you want to run this command. And what this command is going to do, it's going to install all of the on-chain skills for Moralis. So Claude knows exactly what to do when working with the Moralis NFT API. You just have to press spacebar, select all of these, choose Claude, project, symlink, and then yes with the installation. Next, we need to place our API key inside of this project. So we have to open this project in a code editor. So you can use VS Code, Cursor, Windsurf, whatever you feel comfortable using. I personally use Cursor. So I'm going to open this project up. And I need to create two files, a .env file and a .getignore file. The .env file looks like this. You're going to have a variable called API key, and the .getignore file, you just have the .env file in there, just typed out like this. So at this point, we need to go to moralis.com and get our API key. So you create an account or log in and copy your API key here, go back to your project, and you're going to paste it here. This is a very private file. You never share this with anybody, so I'm not going to do this on screen. But once you paste this in here, we're done with this step. Now that our project has our Moralis NFT API set inside of it, this is where the really fun part comes in. We can now talk to Claude. And with Claude, it's going to help us create this NFT marketplace with just a prompt. So what we can do is we can do something like build me an NFT marketplace UI using the Moralis NFT API while also using the Moralis on-chain skills. And I added some extra text here just for more detail of this prompt so that Claude can really understand what I want. And let's just go through the prompts together. Yes, learn. So now what it's doing is it's learning, it's using the on-chain skills to learn how the Moralis API actually works. And through this process, it's going to create a very powerful NFT marketplace for us and a beautiful UI. Okay, guys, looks like Claude is done building. So let's see what it created for us. Looks like it did a lot of work. So we can just ask Claude, launch this in a browser. And let's check out this front end. All right, and here's the result. Look how absolutely amazing this is. Claude put together a fully functional NFT marketplace for us, and it returned only the cream of the crop, the best and most well-known NFTs thanks to the Moralis NFT API, filtering out all of the spam and the unwanted stuff. So you can ship this kind of thing to your users right away. I mean, this is fully functional. It shows you the floor price, total supply. I mean, there's some tweaks that we need to do, but this is just from one prompt from Claude code. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. Each page gives you detailed metadata, trait, rarity rank, sale price, recent transactions, and all this data from one API, the Moralis NFT API, built in minutes thanks to Claude because it knew exactly which endpoints to call and how to use these structured requests. Quick recap. Today we created an NFT marketplace with Claude code thanks to the Moralis NFT API. Basically, what we did is we told Claude to just use this on-chain skills GitHub repository, which is open source and available today, link in the description. And we ran this command that installed those skills and told Claude specifically work with the Moralis NFT API. And then we just prompted what we want. And it created with one prompt a functioning NFT marketplace that has, filtering out all spam, filtering out everything you need thanks to the Moralis API. And you can ship this to your users soon. All you need to do is just grab your API today at moralis.com, create an account, log in, copy your API key and put that into your project and start prompting with Claude, and you will be shocked with what you can produce. Thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one.